is Kiran Parab, and this is my family. Meet my wife Shamal, and these are my kids Neera and Sumukh. So basically, we bought this house in 2019, and then we were living here for almost 1 year. Then we wanted to do an interior for our home. So we started looking for options. So we tried searching online, we tried contacting some of our friends, and one of the biggest criteria for us was the budget and also the timeliness, because we wanted to stay on rent and then get these interiors completed. So while doing this search, we came to know about Naveen and home creative interiors, and we started discussing with him, and he was very approachable. He came down all the way to our home many times to discuss about the designs and also about quotations and everything. Naveen, with his commitment and his dedication, assured us that he would be doing it in given time, and with that we decided to go ahead with him. I think it was a great decision, because now the result that we see here is very, it's superb.
Yes, actually, whatever he said is very true. We approached at least 2-3 people before we approached Naveen, and we were searching all through all YouTube videos and everything. So we come across one video which was fortunately is one of the colleagues of Kiran. So we liked it very much, and we got a first-hand information about Naveen's work. So it was very impressive. So we have decided at that time only to contact him. Rightfully, he came also. Whenever we called him, he came across. And before taking the final decision, we have at least had 2, 3 or I think 4 meetings before that. At times our decisions was we were not able to take the correct decisions. So he helped us to take the correct decisions also.
When we started discussing, so when we finalized, we started discussing. I'll talk about the quotation which Naveen shared with us. I think it was so detailed. It had given each and every line item in very detail, like which material will be used, what will be the cost, and then what will be the options. It was very impressive. Yeah, so as I was talking about the timeliness and the commitment, so Naveen, from day one, he assured that it will be delivered in 60 days, and he lived up to that commitment, and that helped us to not to rent a house more than 2 months, and that was really helpful. Even after the work was completed, we started staying here, and as it is a big project, there are few things which remain, or we have to call him at a couple of times for some service related things, and he was always ready to come down. That is again impressive, because generally it happens that we work with someone during the work phase or during the project phase. The person is very much talking to you and helping out to you. But in case of Naveen, he was, even after 6 months after the work was completed, he was always approachable.
So I really liked my room. It was very vibrant and colorful. I always expected to live in a room like that. So I'm very happy.
Yeah, and as you say, as a family we liked it, because if you look at our home, each and every room is different. Like, it is done so thoughtfully. Like, we wanted a swing in our living room, but at the same time we did not want it to go for an antique look for the entire living room. So we managed to get a modern look and a swing. So it was so very much gelled up properly. And the other rooms, like the children's room, as she said, it is so vibrant and colorful. And our bedroom is, again, once you enter the bedroom, you should feel that peace and calmness. I think that is very much how we desired and we got it. So I would say that home creative interiors and Naveen had done a great job in terms of the designs, the solutions that they come up with, the timeliness and the accuracy of the work. So we highly recommend it to other people who are planning to do their interiors. So go for it, guys. These people are really trustful, and you will not depend on your decision if you decide to go ahead with them.
Right.
And lastly, we would always say that thank you Naveen and Home Creative Interiors. It was a great job. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Naveen.